I was born, a shotgun in my hands, behind the gun, I'll make my final stand. Yeah, and that's why they call me bad company. I can't deny. Bad company. Today I die.
We've walked into a spot that we heard Coyotes at last night. Wind is swirling bad, so I don't know if we'll do any good, but we're gonna try it. Joey will howl right quick, see if they'll answer. If they don't answer lone howls, we'll do a group howl. There they go, they're still in here. They're a little deeper. Actually got coyotes scattered right here. Across the gravel. We got coyotes on this side of the gravel. There's a group right here. And we've got a couple of singles off to the side. And we've got another one back across the gravel. So we got options. I think what we'll do right now is just go straight to the group, close a little distance, and set up and howl again. Try to keep this wind in our favor. Right now it's good. If it'll stay like it is, we're good. Alright, we've moved in here closer to the coyotes. Got a little strip of timber between two thickets. We're hoping the coyotes are still right here. See what happens. Go ahead, Joey. Shoot. Set it here for 5 or 10 minutes. Let it cool off. See if we get them to vocalize again and either call up another one or make a move and kill another one. Hunt ain't over with yet. Alright, add another one to your pile, your Arkansas pile. I guess we could have had at least potentially 2 or 3 on this set. I think on the last clip before this recovery, y'all will see that we located these coyotes again, moved in on them, called them up, I guess 4 more times. Ended up being a total of 4 coyotes. Called them in multiple times, just never could line up the shot and the camera at the same time. So this is the only one we got out of the deal. To kind of recap how the hunt took place, we located coyotes out here off the gravel last night, about a half mile out to the gravel. We moved in here this morning, got in there fairly close to where we thought they were. You howled on the, what?
Howling Mofo.
MFK Howling Mofo. They lit up, they were a little deeper. We moved in closer, that's put us in this creek bottom right here. Got a thicket on both sides. We thought that the coyotes would be right here. If you look behind us, you can see the thicket edge. Sure enough, they lit up, howled a couple of times. Joey howled again on that Howling Mofo, got them to fire up, and then I followed in right behind him on the Howling Mofo with some whimpers. Had him in our lap that quick.
Real fast.
But killed this one. Never could get another one out of the deal, but it's still a good hunt. We killed another coyote yesterday afternoon, so things are rolling pretty good. And we actually called in 4 coyotes on the stand prior to this one. Same thing, multiple opportunities to kill. But when you're hunting in front of a camera in the briars and bullshit like this, the footage is more important than the kill shot. So we let a lot of coyotes get away trying to get footage to show y'all. And hopefully y'all pick up some stuff from it. But to get any of our stuff, just go to the website, MFK Game Calls. That's where you can find the diaphragms, the Howling Mofo that we were using, all of the rest of them, and of course the MFK sound files for the MFK Edition Fox Pros. We have called in, used it multiple times this morning with multiple different sounds to call in several of the coyotes. And then something that both of us get asked all the time is what we're shooting in the shotguns. And it's Apex. Apex number 2s this morning and a 3-inch coming out of a 680 Indian Creek choke is what I've got in this Remington. I think Joey's shooting, what, 695?
Yeah, 695 with 1.5 ounce number 4s.
So 4s versus 2s, and those are the choke combinations. But if you hadn't tried any of the Apex stuff, you need to check it out. It's the baddest stuff by far for shotgunning coyotes. A lot more pattern density, a lot farther range, all that good stuff. And another good thing is you can also get it at MFK Game Calls. We now stock it, so if you want to check that stuff out and take your shotgun into a whole new level, your calling to a whole new level, go to MFK Game Calls. Sound better, kill more. And if you're watching this channel, subscribe to it on YouTube, MFK Game Calls. Let's go kill another one.
Let's go.